हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने YouTube चैनल एमसीक्यू वॉरियर्स पर। आज हम आपके लिए इस वीडियो में जो टॉपिक लेकर आए हैं वो है करंट अफेयर्स में 2022। अगर आप किसी भी एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट रहने वाली है। हमने इस वीडियो में बहुत ही सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस लिए हैं जो एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को और देखते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द एडवाइजर ऑफ द ऑनलाइन लैंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिफाई टेक्नोलॉजीज? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, रजनीश कुमार। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच स्टेट हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया टू डेवलप अ वेबसाइट बेस्ड माइग्रेशन ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम एमटीएस एप्लीकेशन? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, महाराष्ट्र। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, अर्धशीर बी के दुबाश हैज बीन conferred highest diplomatic award by which of the following countries government? And the correct answer is D, Peru. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द थीम फॉर वर्ल्ड वेटरनरी डे 2022? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, स्ट्रेंथनिंग वेटरनरी रेजिलियंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चारुदत्त मिश्रा has won the Whitley Gold Award for work on the conservation of which of the following species? And the correct answer is A, snow leopard. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who among the following has been appointed as the vice chief of the army staff? And the correct answer is B, B.S. Raju. Next question, who among the following has won bronze at Asian Badminton Championships in Manila? And the correct answer is B, PV Sindhu. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सीनियर IFS ऑफिसर डैश recently assumed charge as India's new foreign secretary? And the correct answer is A, विनय मोहन क्वात्रा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं दोस्तों, अंशुल स्वामी has been appointed managing director and chief executive officer of which small finance bank? And the correct answer is D, Equitas Small Finance Bank. Next question, who is the author of the new book titled Leaders, Politicians, Citizens? And the correct answer is B, Rashid Kidwai. Next question, which state's Miya Ka Bada railway station has been renamed as Mahesh Nagar Halt? Correct answer is C, Rajasthan. Next question, who among the following has been appointed as chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes CBDT? Correct answer is B, Sangeeta Singh. Next question, which of the following organizations exercises Defender Europe 2022 and Swift Response 2022 recently held in Poland and 8 other countries? Correct answer is D, नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जिसको हम नाटो के नाम से भी जानते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द थीम ऑफ वर्ल्ड अस्थमा डे 2022? एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, क्लोजिंग गैप्स इन अस्थमा केयर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज एन एडवाइजर टू प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, तरुण कपूर। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, what is the theme of World Press Freedom Day 2022? And correct answer is D, journalism under digital seas. चलिए next question, what is the rank of India in Reporters Without Borders World Press Freedom Index 2022? Correct answer is D, 150. चलिए next question, which country has topped in the World Press Freedom Index 2022 published by Reporters Without Borders? Correct answer is B, Norway. Next question, which university has topped in the Times Higher Education Impact Rankings 2022? Correct answer is C, Western Sydney University. Next question, according to the data released by crypto analytics firm Chainalysis 2021 cryptocurrency gains by country, what is the rank of India in estimated crypto gains in 2021? And correct answer is B, 21st. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, who has been recently appointed as the ex officio member of the Monetary Policy Committee by Central Board of Directors of Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is D. Rajiv Ranjan. Next question. Who has been appointed as the first ever Chief Technology Officer of Central Intelligence Agency CIA? Correct answer is D. Nand Mulchandani. Next question. Who has won the 2022 World Snooker Championship held at the Crucible Theatre in Sheffield, England? And correct answer is D. Ronnie O'Sullivan. Next question. Who among the following has been elected to the Board of Directors of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, United States of America? And correct answer is D. Arvind Krishna. चलिए देखते हैं next question. Which country will be the first official country of honor at the upcoming March Due film in France? And correct answer is C. India. Next question. What is the theme of World Hand Hygiene Day 2022? Correct answer is D. Unite for safety, clear your hands. चलिए next question देखते हैं. With which country India has recently signed joint declaration of intent on green hydrogen task force and forest landscape restoration? Correct answer is B. Germany. Next question. The Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) has banned journalist Dashed for 2 years in Ridhiman Saha case. Correct answer is C. Boria Majumdar. चलिए next question देखते हैं. Who has been appointed as chairman of the Board of Directors of Indigo by Interglobe Aviation? And correct answer is C. Venkataramani Sumantran. चलिए देखते हैं next question. Name the NASA's climate research scientist who has won the World Food Prize 2022 from the World Food Prize Foundation. And correct answer is B. Cynthia Rosenweek. चलिए देखते हैं next question. Who took charge as the Director General, Inspection and Safety of the Indian Air Force? And correct answer is C. Sanjeev Kapoor. Next question. L&T Infotech has announced a merger with which of the following company to create India's fifth largest IT service provider? And correct answer is D. Mindtree. चलिए देखते हैं next question. Who has climbed Mount Everest, the tallest peak in the world, for the 26th time to set a new world record? And the correct answer is B. Kamirita Sherpa. चलिए next question. Who has become the first Indian woman to climb 5 peaks above 8,000 meters? And correct answer is A. Priyanka Mohite. चलिए next question. What is the theme of World Thalassemia Day 2022? And the correct answer is D. Be aware, share, care, working with the global community as one to improve thalassemia knowledge. Next question. Who has been appointed as new Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited Chairman and Managing Director? Correct answer is B. Pushpa Kumar Joshi. Next question. Which state's chief minister has announced a breakfast scheme to provide nutritious breakfast on all working days for all government primary school students? Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. चलिए देखते हैं next question. Which of the following company has become the first Indian company to record annual revenue of more than $100 billion? And correct answer is D. Reliance Industries. Next question. Who among the following has won the inaugural Miami Grand Prix in 2022? Correct answer is C. Max Verstappen. चलिए देखते हैं next question. Which country's Carlos Alcaraz Garcia has won the men's single title at Madrid Open 2022? Correct answer is B. Spain. Next question. What is the theme of International Day of or Ghania 2022? Correct answer is C, the argan tree, symbol of resilience. चलिए next question. The fifth Romain Rolland Book Prize, Romain Rolland Book Prize 2022 has been awarded to the Bengali translation of the French novel Dash. And the correct answer is A, the Meru Salt Investigation. चलिए next question. Who has broke a 30-year-old record of Bahadur Prasad in 5,000 meter, setting a new national record with a timing of 13:25:65? And the correct answer is D, Avinash Sable. चलिए next question. Which of the following Indian Navy fleet has collaborated with Boeing and Airworks? Correct answer is D, P8I. चलिए next question देखते हैं. Rodrigo Chaves has sworn in as the president of which of the following country? Correct answer is D, Costa Rica. Next question. John Lee Ka-chiu elected as Dash next chief executive. And the correct answer is A, Hong Kong. Next question. Who will chair the advisory committee for environmental, social and governance related matters in the securities market constituted by SEBI? And the correct answer is C, Navneet Munot. चलिए next question देखते हैं. Who among the following took charge as vice chair at Denmark-based Maritime Anti-Corruption Network? Correct answer is B, Rajesh Unni. Next question. What is the theme of National Technology Day 2022? Correct answer is A, integrated approach in science and technology for suitable, sustainable future. Next question. Name the author of the book The Struggle for Police Reforms in India, Rulers' Police to People's Police. And correct answer is B, Prakash Singh. चलिए next question देखते हैं. A prominent crossing in Ayodhya will be developed and named after who among the following? Correct answer is B, Lata Mangeshkar. चलिए next question देखते हैं. Which country has been elected as the new chair of the Association of Asian Election Authorities for 2022 to 2024? Correct answer is C, India. Next question. The world's oldest chess grandmaster Yuri Averbakh passed away. He belonged to which country? Correct answer is B, Russia. चलिए next question. What is the theme of International Nurses Day 2022? Correct answer is A, Nurses, a voice to lead, invest in nursing and respect rights to secure global health. चलिए next question. India's first EV charging station powered by biogas was inaugurated in? Correct answer is B, Mumbai. Next question देखते हैं. Which of the following country became the first Asian country join in NATO Cooperative Cyber Defense Center of Excellence? And correct answer is D, South Korea. Next question. Prasar Bharati has signed an MOU on cooperation and collaboration in broadcasting with ORTM in which country? And the correct answer is A, Madagascar. चलिए next question. Which of the following company has dethroned Apple Inc. to become the world's most valuable company? And the correct answer is B, Saudi Aramco. चलिए next question देखते हैं. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Air India? And the correct answer is C, Campbell Wilson. Next question. Who among the following has been appointed as the next Chief Election Commissioner of India? And the correct answer is D, Rajiv Kumar. चलिए next question. Name the architect who has been bestowed with the prestigious Royal Gold Medal 2022. And the correct answer is D, Balakrishna Doshi. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैज बीन वॉन द प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन इन फिलीपींस? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, who has been appointed as president of the Confederation of Indian Industry for the year 2022-23? Correct answer is C. संजीव बजाज। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इंडियन पिस्टल पेयर ऐशा सिंह एंड सौरभ चौधरी has clinched the mixed team pistol gold at the International Shooting Sport Federation Junior World Cup in, and the correct answer is D. Germany. Next question, who has been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of the REC Limited? And correct answer is D. Ravindra Singh Dhillon. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the theme for World Migratory Bird Day 2022? And the correct answer is D. Light pollution. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which Indian company has become the top ranked Indian company in the Forbes Global 2000 list of public companies worldwide in 2022? And the correct answer is A. Reliance Industries. Next question, who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE? And the correct answer is D. Nidhi Chibbar. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan has recently been appointed president of, correct answer is D. UAE. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the theme of the International Day of Families 2022? Correct answer is B. Families and urbanization. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which country's team has won badminton's prestigious Uber Cup in Bangkok, Thailand? Correct answer is D. South Korea. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Dash and Sitikantha Patnaik have been named executive directors by the Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer is B. Rajiv Ranjan. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, B. Govindarajan was appointed as CEO of which company? Correct answer is C. Royal Enfield. Next question, Elizabeth Bourne has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which of the following countries? Correct answer is D. France. चलिए next question, who among the following has won the 79th edition of the Italian Open? And the correct answer is A. Novak Djokovic. Next question, Somali legislators have elected former leader Dash as the country's next president. And the correct answer is C. Hassan Sheikh Mohammed. Next question, the 5G test bed has been developed as a multi-institute collaborative project by 8 institutes led by which of the following institution? Correct answer is A. IIT Madras. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, which of the following has appointed ex RBI Deputy Governor SS Mundra as its chairman? Correct answer is B. BSE. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, West Central Railway has developed a battery operated dual mode locomotive named, correct answer is B. Navdut. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who has been reappointed as managing director and CEO of Bharti Airtel? Correct answer is C. Gopal Vittal. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, name the author of the book A Place Called Home. Correct answer is B. Preeti Shenoy. Next question, who has received an honorary commander of the Order of the British Empire by Her Majesty the Queen? Correct answer is A. Ajay Piramal. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, name the author and journalist who has won the William E. Kolbe Award 2022 for his book The Hardest Place, The American military adrift in Afghanistan Patch Valley. Correct answer is B. Wesley Morgan. चलिए next question. What is the theme of World Bee Day 2022? Correct answer is A. Bee Engaged, celebrating the diversity of bees and beekeeping systems. Next question. What is the theme of National Endangered Species Day theme 2022? Correct answer is D. Recovering key species for ecosystem restoration. चलिए next question. Which of the following aviation company has appointed Peter Elbrecht as Chief Executive Officer? Correct answer is E. सॉरी दोस्तों, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर अपॉइंटेड एल्ब्रेस्ट एज द चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफ इंडिगो. ऑप्शन में नहीं है, आप इसको नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. इंडिगो इज द करेक्ट आंसर. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, नेम द फिफ्थ इंडियन वुमेन टू विन अ वर्ल्ड टाइटल एट द वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप्स. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. निखत जरीन. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which of the following companies successfully tested its Kalam 100 rocket that will power the Vikram 1 rocket's third stage engine? Correct answer is B. Skyroot Aerospace. चलिए next question. Who has won the first prize for the Amazon Sambhav Entrepreneurship Challenge 2022? Correct answer is D. Subhash Ola. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द थीम फॉर वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजी डे 2022? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. मेट्रोलॉजी इन द डिजिटल एरिया. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु हैज बीन रीअपॉइंटेड एज सीईओ एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंफोसिस? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. सलील पारेख. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Paytm? Correct answer is A. Vijay Shekhar Sharma. चलिए next question. Which football club has won UEFA Europa Football League title in 2022? Correct answer is D. चलिए देखते हैं next question. What is the theme of International Day for Biological Diversity 2022? And the correct answer is B. Building a shared future for all life. चलिए next question. Who was awarded the Committed Leader Award at CII XCon 2022 in Bengaluru? And the correct answer is D. Anjali Pandey. चलिए next question. Formula 1 World Championship Dash won the Spanish Grand Prix in a Red Bull. And the correct answer is D. Max Verstappen. चलिए next question. Who has become one of the youngest Indian mountaineers to summit the Everest Base Camp in the Himalayan ranges in Nepal? And the correct answer is B. Rhythm Omania. Next question. Which company will acquire wealth management platform WealthDesk and OpenQ for about $75 million in total? करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. फोन पे. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. नोबल पीस प्राइज laureate Jose Ramos Horta has sworn in as president of which country? Correct answer is A. East Timor. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who has been appointed as the new private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi at joint secretary level? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. विवेक कुमार. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं दोस्तों. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज बीन क्राउंड 2021-22 प्रीमियर लीग चैंपियंस रिसेंटली? करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. मैनचेस्टर सिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु विल बी द न्यू लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर ऑफ दिल्ली? करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. विनय कुमार सक्सेना. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Name the first country to make a 21-day quarantine compulsory for monkeypox patients. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, बेल्जियम। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which company has become the first exploration and production company in India to trade domestic gas on Indian Gas Exchange? And the correct answer is C, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Next question. Which bank has partnered with Ritalio to launch a new range of co-branded credit cards preliminarily targeted at chemists and pharmacies in the merchant segment? करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, HDFC बैंक। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। JSW1 Platforms, an e-commerce venture by JSW Group, has appointed Dash as CEO. And the correct answer is D, Gaurav Sachdeva. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who among the following Indian has been named under the Titans category in world's 100 most influential people of 2022 by Time magazine? करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, गौतम अडानी। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who among the following Indian has been named under the leaders category in world 100 most influential people of 2022 by Time magazine? And the correct answer is D, Khurram Parvez। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। World Health Organization has reappointed Dr. Tedros Adhanom as Director General of WHO for the second term. Tedros Adhanom is from which country? And the correct answer is D, Ethiopia। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who among the following has been appointed as chairperson of committee B at 75th World Health Assembly? And the correct answer is A, Rajesh Bhushan। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Name the director of the ICAR Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute who has received the Vasvik Industrial Research Award. And the correct answer is D, A, Gopal Krishnan। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। What is the rank of India in World Economic Forum's Travel and Tourism Development Index 2021? Correct answer is D, 54th। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which of the following city is the first metro city in the country to prepare a detailed register of biodiversity? Correct answer is D, Kolkata। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। What is the rank of India in World Directory of Modern Military Aircraft as released the World Air Powers Ranking of 2022? And the correct answer is C, 3rd। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Mahagram has tied up with which bank to digitize the nation's payment ecosystem and provide a wider scope to transact for its customer in rural India? Correct answer is D, IndusInd Bank। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who among the following has become the first woman officer to join the Army Aviation Corps as a combat aviator after successfully completing her training? And the correct answer is D, Abhilasha Barak। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which country has topped medal tally of 2022 IBA Women's World Boxing Championships held at Basashir Youth and Sports Facility? And the correct answer is D, Turkey। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Indian writer Gitanjali Shri and American translator Daisy Rockwell won the International Booker Prize for? Correct answer is A, Tomb of Sand। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who has been honored with Excellence in Cinema Award at the French Riviera Film Festival? Correct answer is D, Nawazuddin Siddiqui। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who has been appointed as the chairman of the WTO's Committee on Technical Barriers on Trade? And the correct answer is D, Anwar Hussain Sheikh। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Narinder Batra has announced his resignation from which of the following designation? And the correct answer is A, President of the Indian Olympic Association। चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which company has launched a robo advisory platform for all mutual fund investments? Correct answer is D, HDFC Securities. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the theme of the Global Organic Expo 2022? Correct answer is D, Profitability for Humanity. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who has been appointed as the acting chairperson of Lokpal by President Ramnath Kovind? Correct answer is C, Pradeep Kumar Mohanty. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following documentary of filmmaker Shaunak Sen has been honored with the 2022 LOLD-OR award? Correct answer is B, All That Breathes. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who has topped the Fortune 500 list of highest paid CEO executives in the world? And the correct answer is C, Elon Musk. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the theme of the International Day of UN Peacekeepers 2022? Correct answer is B, People, Peace, Progress, the Power of Partnerships. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 7th Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia List 2022 released. How many Indians are included in the list? Correct answer is D, 61. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who has been conferred with the V. Shantaram Lifetime Achievement Award at MIFF 2022? And the correct answer is B, Sanjeev Narvekar. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who has been awarded the one Best Content Award and the Immunization Champion Award by United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund UNICEF? And the correct answer is B, Umar Nisar. चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who has won the Formula 1 Grand Prix de Monaco 2022? And the correct answer is A, Sergio Perez. चलिए दोस्तों, अगर आज की आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें, और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. आप हमारे पीडीएफ टेलीग्राम फ्री पीडीएफ के लिए आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से भी जुड़ सकते हैं, और बाकी पीडीएफ के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया गया है, आप जाके उसको भी चेक कर सकते हैं. तो चलिए दोस्तों, मिलते हैं अब अगली वीडियो में. तब तक अपनी तैयारी करते रहिए. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.